Palm reading, or chiromancy, is an ancient practice that interprets the lines and shapes of the hands to reveal insights about personality and future. It's significant in cultures worldwide, offering guidance and understanding. Learning the basics of palmistry can empower individuals to connect with their inner selves and enhance self-awareness. The dominant hand, often the one used for writing, symbolizes your active life and current experiences. It reflects your personality traits, choices, and ongoing challenges. Understanding this hand in palmistry helps you gain insight into your present circumstances, aspirations, and how you navigate through life's journey. The non-dominant hand represents inherited traits and potential, showcasing the influences of family, culture, and life experiences. It encapsulates lessons learned and the wisdom gained over time. By examining this hand, one can uncover deeper insights into personal growth and the pathways that shape one's destiny. Choosing which hand to read depends on your intention. The dominant hand is ideal for understanding present challenges and choices, while the non-dominant hand connects to inherited traits and past experiences. Trust your intuition to discern which hand offers the most relevant insights for your current life situation. Many believe palm reading only focuses on one hand, but both hold significant value. Common myths suggest that one hand predicts fate while the other reveals personality. In truth, both hands combine to provide a fuller picture of an individual's character, experiences, and paths for personal growth. Each individual's palm lines tell a unique story, reflecting personality traits and life paths. For example, a deep heart line may indicate a passionate nature, while a long head line suggests analytical thinking. Comparing left and right hands can unveil contrasts between inherited traits and current experiences, enriching interpretation. In conclusion, palm reading offers profound insights into personality in life experiences. Beginners should start by familiarizing themselves with basic lines and hand shapes. Practicing with friends can enhance skills, while trusting one's intuition leads to deeper interpretations. Embrace the journey of exploration in this fascinating art.